Have you ever looked at your stash account and wondered, where did all my money go? Or maybe you've tried to withdraw funds and received an error message that left you scratching your head. Today, we're diving into the frustrating world of stash withdrawals. Why can't you get your hands on your hard-earned cash? Let's break down the common reasons and explore potential solutions. Reason 1: pending deposits. One of the most frequent culprits is pending deposits. When you add funds to your stash account, they often go through a verification process before becoming available for withdrawal. This can take a few business days. To check if pending deposits are the issue, log into your account and look for any outstanding deposits. If you see a pending deposit, you'll usually find an estimated completion date. Reason 2: hold periods. Some investments, particularly those involving stocks or ETFs, have hold periods. This means you can't withdraw the funds immediately after purchasing them. The hold period is typically a few days, but it can vary depending on the specific investment. If you're dealing with a hold period, you'll see a notification on your account indicating when the funds will become available for withdrawal. Reason 3: minimum withdrawal amounts. Stash may have minimum withdrawal amounts. This means you can't withdraw less than a certain amount of money. If you're trying to withdraw a smaller amount, you might encounter an error message. Check Stash's terms and conditions or contact their customer support to find out the minimum withdrawal amount. Reason 4: account restrictions. In some cases, Stash may place restrictions on your account due to suspicious activity or other reasons. These restrictions can prevent you from withdrawing funds. If you suspect your account is restricted, reach out to Stash's customer support to inquire about the reason and the steps required to lift the restriction. Reason 5: technical glitches. Sometimes, technical glitches can cause withdrawal issues. These can be temporary and resolved through troubleshooting steps or contacting Stash's support team. If you're experiencing a technical glitch, try refreshing your browser or logging out and back in. If the problem persists, contact Stash's customer support for assistance. Troubleshooting tips. Here are some general troubleshooting tips to help you resolve withdrawal issues. Check your account balance. Ensure you have sufficient funds to cover the withdrawal. Verify pending deposits. Make sure there are no outstanding deposits. Check for hold periods. Confirm if any investments have hold periods. Review minimum withdrawal amounts. Ensure you're withdrawing the minimum amount. Contact customer support. If you've tried the above steps and are still having trouble, reach out to Stash's customer support for further assistance. Additional considerations. While the reasons mentioned above are common, there may be other factors affecting your ability to withdraw from Stash. It's always a good idea to review Stash's terms and conditions or contact their customer support for specific information regarding your situation. Dealing with withdrawal issues can be frustrating, but by understanding the common reasons and following the troubleshooting tips, you can often resolve the problem. Remember to check your account for any pending deposits, hold periods, or minimum withdrawal requirements. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.